So I'm going out. May special guest tayo sa vlog natin ngayon. Kasama ko yung asawa ko. Hi.
Hello.
We're going to bumper at SM MOA car show na medyo malaki rin siya pero outdoor siya. So let's go! It's raining. Sana pagdating natin doon hindi na umuulan. Titingnan natin kung lakas ng ulan. Mali ata yung sasakyan na dala ko. Sana tumigil to, kung hindi we won't be going there anymore, or we'll wait till the rain stops and then we'll go there. Magde-date na lang muna kami. Getting ready. Stuck in traffic. It's already 2:48. Let's see what time we'll get to MOA. What are your guesses? Comment down below. Don't cheat. Let's go. 2:48. I think we're gonna arrive there around 4 o'clock. Philippine traffic.
Hello guys. So we're on our way to MOA. And we're gonna film something there. What type? I don't know. I don't know what to expect sa mga cars dun, so di ko kaya mag-English na tuloy-tuloy. Unlike my husband over there. Focus on me. Focus. So I bought this parka from HTP. Dapat nakapolo lang ako pero maulan. So anyway, I hope I get to meet my husband's friends over there and I will interview them. What's your take on this, mga ganon? What's the importance of full exhaust kineme? And why do you think that the size of the rims and the tires matter? Mga ganon. Kasi, you know, mga things that boggles my mind. So anyway, catch you there.
Wacha! We made it. We're here. We just parked. And it's 4:48. How long was that? 2 hours? 3 hours? Oh my gosh. The traffic here in the Philippines and the Christmas rush. Let's go down and let's go to the show. Okay, we're walking. Going to over there. That is where the show is. We parked in front e-commerce building because we said we're going to eat here. She said it.
Hindi kang pang mas pluk na hindi.
I was gonna tell the truth.
So we were supposed to eat at the Ikinari thingy with the steaks, but it's so far away. Like it's way over there. And we're here. So I think we're just gonna eat here, House of Wagyu. Para mapasubo to. Bayaran mo yung steak ko. 8,000 isang steak. Stone grilled.
Crazy car. Nasa pedestrian kami. Hindi man lang kami pinatawid muna. Here? I think it's over here.
Parang gusto ko mawala ng kaluluwa ko sa katawan. Palakasan ng music dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Iwas sa camera. So anyway, let's go.
magde-date kami. Yung pala dito ko siya dadalhin.
Yung outfit ko pang aircon.
Di bale, babawi tayo mamaya pagkatapos nito. Magpapasteak tayo. Okay ba yun? Anong nagustuhan nyo na sasakyan dun sa montage natin? Nasa labas tayo kasi pag dun tayo nagsalita sa show, makaka-copyright tayo. Ang lakas ng music nila dun. So comment down below kung anong nagustuhan nyo kotse sa montage natin so far.
Ito yung kotse ko pag may zombie apocalypse. Zombie apocalypse. Nice. Walang zombie makakakuha sa akin ito. Meron pa siyang barricade. Pala diretso. Saan yung asawa ko? Ito yung ko na magkakawalay. Guys, so quick interruption sa video na to. We are selling M-Click shirt merch. So if you want one, DM me sa Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And
I'll tell you the price, tell me the size, and bili na kayo.
Comment down below so nakita natin yung mga models. So, hindi lahat yon ang mga models. Kanina may nadaanan ako pero hindi ko napapicturean. Anyway, comment down below anong kulay ng suot nila. Pero parang trip ko yung mestiza doon na blondie. Cute siya sa personal. Pero pag yung asawa ko gagawa ng bawal, ako lang, only me, myself and I. Kakain na kami, gutom na ako.
Okay, that's a wrap dito sa Bumper to Bumper 20th show nila. At hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung video natin. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung special guest rin natin dito sa vlog natin. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow me sa other social medias. Hindi na tayo nakapag-photos. Siguro next time na inabot na tayo ng gabi kasi medyo natagalan tayo sa traffic. Merch for sale, click shirt merch for sale. So posted here somewhere. Tapos DM nyo ako other social media platforms. So let's go!
Hulas Nation. Sana mapakain ako na masarap. Dapat ba malakas boses ko pag ganyan? O pwede nang hindi?
Dito hindi na.
Hindi na. So anyway, how's my experience? I was not ready. Yung damitan ko, akala ko parang sa, ano nga yung pinupuntahan natin? Transport show na aircon. Girl, hindi. Pero okay lang. Maganda, okay yung mga kotse. May cool na truck doon na puro ilaw. Tapos, parang maalis yung kaluluwa ko nung mga dum. Parang gumagano, may hiwalay sa... Pero sanay siya. Sa mga models, hirap pala ng trabaho nila. Tapos saka high heels sila. Tapos pose, ganun. Buwis buhay poses. So anyway, like, follow, subscribe to mclicksPH and comment if you want to see me more. See more of this. Mga walang kwenta. Thank you.
Na lang. We're walking to where we are going to eat. Over there.
Doon.
Medyo malayo. Pero sulit. After mo kumain, di lakad ka ulit para bumaba naman yung pagkain mo. Sarap niyan. Sarap niyan dito. Galit na. Gutom na. Ginugutom mo kasi. Inuuna mo yung car show.
Thank you. Pag kulang, mag-order. Gutom okay na yung bibigyan.
Okay, nagmamadali na talaga siya. Gutom na talaga yung asawa ko. Sorry na.
Yung mozzarella.
Sige, kung gusto mo.
May onion rings na daw.
Ikaw, kung gusto mo.
Ano karami onion? Good for 1 or 2?
Gutom na talaga siya. Gusto niya orderin lahat. Lahat talaga gusto niya orderin. Help me guys! Subscribe ka na para matulungan mo ako dito. And don't forget to like and follow me.
sobrang solid dun. Sabi ko, pwede na kaming hindi magtepanya. At least dyan, ready agad yung order sa Tepanya. Dami pang eme-eme. So, yeah, I love it there. Ang sarap.
Wow! So, tapos na kaming kumain. Meron batang tuwang-tuwa. Ayun. Tuwang-tuwa. Nakabawi tayo. Ginutom natin siya. Pinagod natin siya. Pero bumawi naman tayo doon, di ba? Sarap. Dapat masubukan nyo yun. So, anyway, that was it. This is it for this video. We're going home. And if ever matuloy kami bukas sa lakad namin, medyo kakaiba yung next video natin. So, abangan nyo yun. Remember, turning clicks to timeless memories. Catch you in the next one.